So, what if I told you that everything you need to start having fun with hand lettering, the practice sheets, the tools, and even some beautiful galaxy colors comes in one kit? Yes, it does. And I am here to share this wonderful product with all of you. So, let's go ahead. Let's take a look. Hello there, creative friends. It's Lhey here, Mommy Lhey. I am so excited because my very own Galaxy Lettering Art Kit with Faber-Castell is now available online and at your favorite local Michaels stores. This kit is super special to me. I designed it for beginners, for the dreamers, and honestly, for anyone who just wants to sit down, to slow down, and make something magical. Inside, you will get a full activity book, thick mixed media ready pages so you can really play with some of the art supplies included. You'll also find 3 of my favorite style of lettering: alpha brush lettering, skinny alpha, and balloon lettering. I also love that tracing paper is included for you to practice on. Inside, you'll also find some Galaxy-themed quotes and some very fun sample doodles that you can use as embellishment for your projects. And of course, the tools. 3 gorgeous Faber-Castell art crayons in colors metallic mint, blueberry, and pink sapphire is included. There's a gold Faber aqua dual marker in black, a graphite pencil, and a soft eraser. And a mini water brush is also included. So yeah, like what I said, everything you need all in one kit. You will find a lot of helpful information provided in this book. You will learn 2 of the most important basic strokes in hand lettering. We will practice the upstroke, where we use the tip of the brush and using very light pressure. We'll learn all about the downstroke, where we use the belly or the body of the brush, and we also use heavy hand pressure. I know, it sounds overwhelming, but I promise you it is so easy. I will teach you how to master these strokes using the gold Faber aqua dual marker and the water brush pen as well. Now, let's talk about the Faber-Castell art crayons because they are seriously the star of this kit. Now, these little pigment sticks may look simple, but trust me, they are incredibly versatile. You can use them, apply them directly onto the page. You can use them dry like a crayon or a pastel to create some bold, creamy marks. You can smudge them with your finger or a sponge for soft shading. You can activate them with a water brush for some smoother and painterly watercolor blends. You can also pick them up with a wet brush, kind of like a palette, so you can paint directly with them. Or you can layer the colors on top of each other to create your own gradient or ombre effects. So as you can see, there really is no right way to use these. You just need to allow yourself to experiment, to mix, and just spend lots of playtime. That's the beauty of art crayons. They really adapt to your style. My goal for this kit isn't perfection. It is to give you inspiration. And I really, really hope that you will find joy in every page of this book. And may every page that you fill take you one more step in your creative journey. You can grab the Galaxy Lettering Kit online at michaels.com or at any Michaels stores near you. I cannot wait to see what you create. Please don't forget to tag me at Mommy Lhey and of course at Faber-Castell USA so that we can cheer you on in every step of the way. And of course, if you enjoyed hanging out with me today, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and as always, stay creative and stay happy. See you guys next time. Bye!